Hi viewers, I am Yamuna. Welcome to SMK Infotech Trainings YouTube channel, and today I am going to give answers to different questions that we have got in our YouTube channel, and with this session we are going to learn about or understand about a no coding tool which has huge job opportunities in the market. Okay, I am going to explain about the particular tool. It is none other than Pega. So anyone who wanted to enter into software industry, this is one of the best courses to choose and learn. Anyone who is knowledgeable about Pega, definitely they are going to get job into IT software companies for sure. First, let me brief out the question that we are going to address in this video. The first question is going to be what is covers folder and object and differences among them. And the second question is how a user's toolset list is formed. And the third question is name the declarative rules in Pega. And the fourth question is what is the difference between page validate and property validate methods? And the fifth question is differentiate between decision table and decision tree. These are the questions that we are going to look at. Okay, I will explain each one by one. So just to brief out. So what is covers folder and object and differences among them? Cover is work object that is parent to one or more related work objects. One work party is present in the cover work object and also present in the covered work objects associated with the covers. Folder is work object in concrete class that inherits from the work folder class. A folder object holds a collection of one or more other work objects providing access for reporting. And the second question is how a user's rule set list is formed. The system adds entries it finds from the following sources in the order listed. The system adds entries it finds from these sources in the top of the list. Requester. Usually this adds the rule sets named Pega rules and Pega int svcs and a version or version prefix for these. Division. As referenced in the operator ID instance. Organization. As referenced in the operator ID instance. Access group. As referenced in the operator ID instance. Rule set versions. Prerequisite rule sets and version to those already compiled. Operator ID. If this user has the ability to check out rules, the personal rule set is added last. It is also called a private rule set. And the third question is name the declarative rules in Pega. The declarative rule is an instance of a class derived from rule declared. They allow for automatic processing of property values. No need to be called explicitly. No need to run in a sequential fashion. The system manages re-evaluation when it defects a change. The declarative rules in Pega are rule declare expressions, rule declare index, rule declare trigger, rule declare on change, rule declare constraints. And the fourth question is what is the difference between page validate and property validate methods? Page validate. This method is used to validate all the properties present on a page. If a page contains embedded pages, this method works recursively to validate all the properties. This method consumes a lot of system resources and takes more time. If you want to validate specific properties, use object validate method with rule object validate rule. Property validate. This method is used to impose restrictions on property value. Use the edit validate rule along with property validate method to impose restrictions. You can validate multiple properties using the property validate method. And the fifth question is differentiate between decision table and decision tree. Decision table. The logic implemented in the decision table is if else if condition. In the decision table, if the first condition is true, it will not check the remaining conditions. If the first condition is false, then only it will check the next condition. For simple logic, you can go to the decision table. Decision tree. The logic implemented in decision tree is if condition. In a decision tree, if the first condition is true or false, it will check all conditions and it will return results. For simple logic, we can go for a decision tree. If you have not subscribed to our channel, so fair, and if you like the content, request you to subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends and your connection. And if you have any question related to your career guidance, please post your questions under the comment section of this video. And myself, Yamuna, signing off. Thank you.